Hi everybody, Nolan of Black Diamond Services. So this is part 2 of this home. If you saw the last video, which I will try and put a link in the description, I was cleaning up there. There's some yellow carpet up there and then some blue carpet. So be sure to go check out that video because that one's very satisfying because that carpet is wonderful to clean because it always cleans up. But now I'm downstairs for the rest of the house with this Berber carpet, which is right there. And then we have a small little kind of mini office back here. And then we got this living room or family room, this front room here, down this hallway, some more old carpet. So this house is being sold as is. I'm working in Turlock, California, and as you can see, more old carpet. So I'm trying to do some magic here to make this look the best it can for the sale of the house. Obviously, carpet like this is going to be probably ripped right out, but they just want it clean for the sale of the home, and it's going to be an as-is type of thing. So we got a little bit of carpets here in hall closets. Back to this front room here. It's a nice property. It's a little over an acre. Has a shop on it. But be sure to go check out that first video. If you haven't, go watch that first and then come back to this one. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. Well, obviously after I vacuum all of the carpet in here, every single room I'm gonna be using the lance to get all the edges because there's just too much buildup here. I knocked out the closet first before I started videoing, but I think just about every room is going to need going around on all the edges. Not every house has a bunch of buildup in the edges. Some people are good about, you know, vacuuming and hitting those areas, but unfortunately, this is an older gentleman and just couldn't do it. And so it's built up quite a bit on the edges, and I feel like it's going to help pick up some of the loose stuff that vacuums can't normally get. Because I mean, this is all just from this room and then a little bit of hallway making my way to it. So maybe it'll be good if I do that. And this carpet, I feel like this is original to the house, like 60s or maybe early 70s. I won't be surprised if it cleans up well. I won't be surprised if it cleans up well, but I won't be surprised if it still looks kind of bad just because of how old and worn it looks in the walk packs. And the carpet's loose in some areas, but I sometimes say that and it just turns out great. Figured you guys would want to see a little vacuuming of this room. Looks like it's time to dump the canister. Alright, so even though this is Berber carpet, it's pretty soiled and old, so I want to utilize the CRV just for a little extra help. I've had a commercial job, different carpet, but nonetheless similar, that it is, you know, more flat and not like this carpet here. And I was cleaning it and it was doing fine, but there was a part of me that was like, you know what, this is greasy, at least that place was. I'm wondering if the CRV would help. So I retreated an area, ran the CRV over it, saw a little change happen, But when I started extracting it, I got a noticeable difference. So that is what I'm going off of on Berber carpet. When it's not that bad for Berber, like not dirty really, or that bad compared to some jobs that we get, thoroughly vacuuming it, pre-treating it, allowing dwell time, and thoroughly extracting. And generally it always cleans up really well, no issue. But there are some cases, this being one of them, where I feel like it's been quite a while since it's been cleaned. There's no way to really know due to the situation of this home. So I'm just going to be sure and go ahead and run CRB over all the Berber carpet, just because it is a country property. The only understanding I got is the gentleman that did live here liked to work in his shop on stuff. So therefore, there's a chance that he could have tracked in grease, and that it's kind of hard to tell, but it could be present in the carpet. And like I said, I did a commercial carpet that was pretty greasy, and the CRB made a huge difference in the outcome. Like, I probably would have been slightly disappointed with how it was shaping up hadn't I done that. Even though there was a significant difference, it still just looked like, you know, you could do better. So I'm just saying this because there's situations where you think sometimes you may not need something to get the job done, and so it's just kind of better to have it and not need it. There are times where doing like encapsulation cleaning, very low moisture, is superior to a truck mount in certain situations. Like if you're just doing a maintenance clean to maintain a place, most, in my opinion, commercial is what I'm talking about, it can be overkill to run a truck mount when VLMing or encapsulation cleaning can take care of it just fine. So just something to consider. But being that there's 2 different carpets in this, or I should say 4 different carpets in this house, I'm just running the CRB over everything just to be safe. But now that we're in this room, what do you guys think? Is that just dirt, or is it just wear? Put a comment down below. Let me know if you think this rug is going to clean up, knowing how old it is. Like, this carpet's probably, again, older than I am, so I think it's from the 70s. So cast your vote down below. Let me know what you think. Is this carpet going to clean, or is it still going to look really tacky? It's going to clean. I should say, is it going to still look tacky? From where? We shall find out. But most definitely, this old carpet needs the CRB on it. It's probably the first time it's had a CRB on it. This is definitely significantly older than the first ever CRB, at least in this style. I don't know how long CRBs have technically been around, or, you know, machined very similar, but I guarantee this is the first time this carpet has seen one. Alright, in the crazy old carpet room, let's see who casted the right vote. Got loose carpet right up at the edge of the wall here. It's been buckling for who knows how many years. Are we starting to see why I like cleaning old carpet? Because it just works well. And look how blue the blues are already. And this was a traffic area. So if you voted that it was going to look bad in that traffic area, looks like it went the opposite direction. That's how good this stuff is. And they just don't make it this way anymore because, well, I mean, companies want stuff to turn over and want you to have to come back to them to get more. And it's kind of sad. I mean, if companies really good, they make quality products or service, who would everybody flock to if they had the best quality stuff? Even if you had to pay more, would you rather pay, let's say, an example here, would you rather pay 25 to 50% more for your carpet or flooring, knowing that it was going to last, say, twice as long and clean up this well each time? Meaning you don't have to pull everything out of your house, rip out the flooring, put new flooring in, even if it almost costs 50% more than the most current expensive carpet on the market that's allegedly the best. And it lasted 25, 30 years, 40 years. There are so many people in the world that if your company was making a product that good, you would dominate. And there would be plenty of repeat business because people change flooring out anyways at some point when they get tired of it, if they have the means to, and they're going to come to you. So same idea with even what we do. Our process is longer than a lot of companies, but it is, you know, what I'm doing today, carpet cleaning. How do you set yourself apart? It is in your steps, your presentation, and if you are dressed in a uniform, you know, or at least semi-nice clothing. In my case, or our business's case, we do a black polo shirt with our name on it, the business name on it, tucked in shirt with a belt, shorts during the summer, pants during the winter, unless you somehow don't sweat as much as me or most and can get away with wearing pants year-round where we're at. But you show up looking professional, the van looks good, has an image on it. Just all the little things that you could do to set yourself apart. I feel like if flooring companies would go back to making flooring as good as this stuff, they would be winning across the board.